If blue means green, green means white, white means yellow, yellow means black, black means red, and red means brown, then what is the color of milk? Now, in such kind of coding and decoding questions, what you should do is first concentrate on what is the question. So, what is the color of milk? Now, the answer for this question is white. Okay. So, just look out for what is the code language for white. You can see here, white means yellow. And therefore, the answer will be yellow. It's as simple as that. Do not make it a loop. So, yellow, yellow means black, black means red, red means brown. So, don't go like that. We just have to focus on what is the answer and the direct code language. So, the answer here is yellow.